Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It is the 24th of November, and it is Sophia's birthday today. Have a great day today, Sophia. On Saturday, Bella Hart is celebrating her birthday. I hope Saturday is a special day for you. We had our problem of the week. Solution time is today. So if you remember the problem, it said that I was driving to Nebraska to pick up my son. I drove half the distance before stopping for gas and then drove half of the remaining distance. There's the key, and stopping to eat. Finally, I drove 125 miles to finish the trip. So you all heard those fractional words in there, half and half. So we can look at this as a fractional problem by looking at a number line. So first I drove half of the way, and then I drove half of the remaining distance. And then that, if I take half of a half, that's a quarter. So the final chunk of my journey was 125 miles. On a number line, that's 1/4 of the whole trip. So the whole trip would have been 4/4, or 125 times 4, which is 500 miles. Another way to look at that would be a part whole problem. So, looking at the second half of my journey here, I drove 125 miles. It was one of the equal parts. And since they were equal parts, the other part is 125, making that whole part 250 miles. So then 250 for this part and 250 equal for this part. Add those together to get the total trip of 500 miles. So either way you look at it, it was a 500-mile trip. Some people said it was 1,000 miles because I drove there and then back, but I was only really looking in this problem for one way there. So 500 miles was the correct answer. Lots of people got this one correct. So, whoops, why are they not? There we go. Those are the list of the people who got it correct: Abigail, Amelia, Annabelle, Blake, Christopher, Dylan, Eduardo, Evelyn, Ian, Isabella, Jackson, Caden, Catherine, Kendall, two Lukes, two different Lukes, Micah, Mitch, Oliver, Ray, Reed, Sophia, and TJ. Nicely done, everybody. And we also had our Insta poll where I was asking you for some of your impressions about Thanksgiving. So let's take a look at what our results said on our LWS Insta poll. First, I asked, does your family eat turkey on Thanksgiving? And you can see that most of us do. Almost 93% of the people who responded do eat turkey on Thanksgiving. Then I asked for favorite foods. And the most favorite food here, with almost 30%, which would be about a little less than 1/3 of everybody who answered, was pumpkin pie. The next highest was 22%, almost a quarter, was turkey. And then this group here, the 14.5, that was people who said that none of the things that I listed were their favorite food. So what were their favorite foods that weren't on the list? Well, Isabella and Eduardo thought ham was their favorite food. Sophia and Jackson, apple pie was their favorite. Luke loves mac and cheese, homemade mac and cheese. Charlotte says she makes cupcakes, homemade cupcakes, and that's her favorite. And Kinley said Snickers salad. Now that is a salad I could get behind there. Snickers salad sounds delicious to me. Then finally, I asked for people to say, kind of what are you thankful for as we enter this Thanksgiving holiday? We had lots of people who were thankful for family. Add on to those people who said they were thankful for family and their friends. Then some people also added pets. So there are many people thankful for family, friends, and their pets. Liam was thankful for the long weekend. Colin, Micah, Sam, and Audrey, health and life. Some people are thankful for their house and having food on the table. Brooklyn and Taya were thankful for school. We're thankful you're in our school. And then Ian was thankful for veterans. So lots to give thanks for here this year. And let's rise now and join for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. As we said, lots to be thankful for. Have a great day. 2 days left until Thanksgiving. This is the last announcements for this week. I'll be back again on Monday for some announcements to start your remote learning day. So, on behalf of everybody here at Louise White School, I just want to wish you and your family a very, very happy Thanksgiving. See you on Monday.